In this video, I'll be showing you how to perfectly attach your men's shirt collar and the three simple ways that you can use to achieve this. The first simple way is the one that I'm applying now, which is starting to sew from one edge until you reach the other edge. This is very simple and I recommend it always for beginners. You can see the way I slowly started sewing from one edge, and that is the way I'm going to slowly attach the collar until I get to the other end. Now, note the rule of the thumb here. You are going to position the right side of the collar on the right side of the shirt. Very, very important. And before you also start to do this, you must have confirmed that the length of the collar is equal to the length of the neckline. This is also very important. Now, aside using this first simple way, you can also use another way, which is the second way, which is that you can start from the middle. In that case, you would have centralized or you notch the collar at the middle, also notch the neckline at the middle too. So you start sewing from the middle, you sew from the middle to the right, to the edge like this, and then you also sew from the middle to the left side. In that way, you will complete the whole length of the collar. You can see that I'm done sewing the first sewing and I'll be top stitching it now. Now to the third way that you can use to attach your collar, that one is inserting the neckline into the collar. In that way, you would have prepared your collar in a way that you just insert the neckline into it and you use one stitch to finish it. That one is a bit technical and I don't usually recommend it for beginners. But you see this simple way that I used, starting from one edge to the other, it's very, very good. Even if you are a beginner, it's also easy to. You can see it from the way I started. You can see how seamless it is, and I'm almost done with it. I'm using that screwdriver to tuck in any excess parts of the neckline that is supposed to be inside the collar. Can you see how seamless it seems? That is the way your own too will be if you follow the same steps. In the next video, I'll be showing you 3 common errors to avoid to be able to achieve something like this.